This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find and delete your location history in Google. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. To turn on or off your location history in Google, it's very easy to do. There's different ways to do it. The way that I'm going to show you, first thing you want to do is go to google.com. As you can see, I am on the google.com search page. Next thing you want to do, in the upper right hand corner, you want to make sure that you're logged in. I can see my profile icon right up here. I'm logged in. Next thing you want to do is click on your profile icon. Then you want to go down to where it says Manage Your Google Account. Click on Manage Your Google Account. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Data and Privacy. Data and Privacy. Then in the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see History Settings. And right down here, Location History. It tells me that my location history is currently turned on. I'm going to click on it. And then right down here, it once again tells me my location history is on. But there's a button off to the right hand side. If your location history is off, your button will say turn on. Mine says turn off. I'm going to click on turn off. Then I'm going to click on turn off again. Another dialog box will open up telling me that I'm turning off the location history. I'm going to click on got it. And now as you can see, my location history has been turned off. And I have a button right over here now that says turn on. If I wanted to turn it on, I click on the turn on button. That is how to turn on or off your location history on Google. Thanks for watching.